Hi, my name is Terry Freeman and I'm the door shop hardware manager for the Charles McMurray Company. And today I want to focus on the new JH200 track. It's an I-beam track. Its weight capacity is rated up to 400 pounds per door. We have the carrier that has 4 wheels on it, ball bearing rollers. This is the attachment that goes into the top of the door and then attaches to the carrier, and then it clicks in place with that. And then we have the new soft close itself. It has 2 pistons. The soft close is rated at 330 pounds per door. This is the actuator arm that is needed for the soft close. Okay, I'm going to show you the application now, how to install. The first step is to take the soft close, insert it onto the track. You always want to remember to put the carrier on there as well. And then we can join the two. You'll notice the carrier has the 2 holes. The soft close has the 2 holes. The soft close fits in between the 2 holes on the carrier and then is held in place by this pin that has a little BB. That in, and that keeps the carrier and the soft close together. Then we need the actuator arm. The actuator arm does have 2 clips that lines up on the track, on the bottom of the track, to keep it square and engaged. And then we slide this on to the end of the track. Tighten this down. Now keep in mind, you may need to adjust the position of the actuator arm based on the position of the plate that is mounted on the door. You may have to test it a couple times to make sure that when the door closes completely, it hits against the wall, you don't have any gaps. Now it's time to apply the door. This post is adjustable, so you can adjust the height difference between the track and the door. And then they have a locking washer here to keep everything in place. This simply slides into the carrier, and then this plastic piece holds it in place. And now we're ready to operate. Again, remember that the soft close holds up to 330 pounds. Without the soft close, this track is capable of holding up to 400 pounds. Okay, that concludes the demonstration of the soft close application for our JH200 track. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please call us at Charles McMurray Company. We have several customer service people on hand, and of course, I'm available to answer any questions that you might have as well.